So there was a guy on TV who would say, more power. Comment below if you know who that is. But let's talk about some more power. Check this out. This is an upgrade for my toolbox. I love my toolbox. Came with this built-in power strip, but it needed more power. Look at that. Actually, more than just needing more power, I needed a better design. Remember to like, subscribe, follow, comment. Let me know how you're going to use yours. I have this 12-socket strip from Rocket Socket Technology, and I'm just so excited about this. Is it a little weird that I'm this excited about a power strip? But I am. I do need to tell you, they provided this to me to do this review for you, but I am just genuinely excited about this. You probably can tell that. Oh, check this out. So design, we were talking about design and why I think this is a much better design, because not only does it have 12 sockets, nice solid construction, comes with all the mounting hardware you need to mount it up, but let me show you the big thing. So you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3 sockets available, but there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've lost half of them with this one plug, a very common plug. We all see that. The way these are spaced out, and they are intelligently spaced out, somebody thought about it, and look at this. I lose no sockets. I could still use this socket. I could still use that socket. I still have all 12 of my sockets. More power. So cool. 15 amps, has a toggle switch. Nice long, look how heavy duty that cord is, 6 feet long. You absolutely cannot go wrong with this if you want more power. I now have more power. I'm very excited about it. I am going to go install it. I think I'm going to go with a whole bunch of double-sided tape instead of the hardware because it's metal on metal. So that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, you cannot go wrong with this. We will see you next time.